In this video, I'm going to show you 3 highly rated dog chews, and I've actually got a couple of dogs here that are excited about a taste test. So first off, we've got the Pet Factory, and one of the things I like is to be able to look at them side by side, because sometimes it's hard to tell the size difference, but I think this is helpful with a side-by-side comparison. So the Pet Factory, these are 5-inch beef hide chews. You can see here a 5-inch, what that looks like made out of beef hide. The other 2 are both made by Pork Chomps. The Pet Factory, you get 22 of these in this package. The other 2 are made by Pork Chomps, and you can see the one in the middle is just a 4 count on these, and you can see it rolled up there. This is a 6-inch chew here. The other one comes with 10 in the package, and it is 6 inches long. So you can see the size difference there. Again, you're going to get 22 here, 4 here, and 10 here. The differences of these. These 2 are pork, and this one's beef hide. Hope this video is helpful in showing you some popular treats. Let's see how the dogs think about them. He will be excited about that, and one for you too here. Happy dogs and wagging tails.